Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up media share in OBS. First, launch OBS Studio and find the source's dock, usually at the bottom of your screen. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the menu that appears, choose Media Source. Give your new media source a descriptive name like Viewer Videos or Stream Alerts to keep your setup organized. This initial step is crucial for integrating any video or audio files into your stream. Now let's configure your media source. Click Browse to select the video or audio file you want to share. You can choose from various formats, including MP4 and MP3. If you want the media to play continuously, check the loop box. Adjust the speed slider to make your media play faster or slower, perhaps at 1.5 times normal speed. Also, consider checking Restart Playback when source becomes active for consistent replays. For interactive media sharing, like viewer requests or alerts, you'll need a browser source. Click the plus icon in Sources and select Browser Source. Paste the unique media share URL provided by your platform, such as Streamlabs or Stream Elements, into the URL field. Set the width and height to match your stream's resolution, for example, 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can also add custom CSS for unique visual styling. Finally, let's position and test your media. In the OBS preview window, you can drag and resize your media source to fit perfectly within your scene. Hold the Alt key while dragging the edges to crop the source, removing unwanted black bars. It's crucial to test all your media sources thoroughly before going live to ensure everything works as expected. Pay close attention to the audio mixer to balance sound levels, preventing any sudden loud noises for your viewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.